This is the disturbing case of unknown. One day, he was at the doctor's office waiting.
Hey, it's your time to come to the room.
Die!
Oh, you can't go in there!
And then he crawled out of the vent and killed someone. No, I swear I can keep it under control. Please, no. No, 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 no! Ah! But then the demon came back out and took over his body forever.
Demon on fire!
To this day, he still roams the hospital, killing and terrorizing many other patients that come to